guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sophia. If this is your first time on my channel, you are highly welcome. Today I have Amazon haul here for you guys. So Amazon unboxing, Amazon haul. Okay guys, so let's get into this video. Okay guys, so I got my boxes here. So this is going to be Amazon haul. I don't know anyone. Amazon unboxing, Amazon haul. Okay guys, so and also I'm going to like a review as well of my SQ Professional. Okay, so let me open the first box first and show you guys what's in here. I like my face to show. Let's see if I can move my camera up. Okay guys, let's see if I can bring it up so my face can be showing. Okay guys, at least my face is showing. My face is showing a bit. Even though I try to see if I can move it so that my face can be showing more proper, you know, but sometimes it's quite difficult to adjust the thing so my face. Okay, I think it looks better like this, I think. All right guys, let's see what is in here. Okay guys, let's see what is in here first. Okay, I don't know if you guys can. Yeah, let me move back a bit. Let's see. Okay, anyway, I'll show you guys what is in there in case you can't see it properly. I'll still show you guys what is in there. So hold on 1 second guys. Okay guys, so yeah, so anyway, I've opened this box. Okay guys, I've opened the box. I decided to bring the camera closer in a different angle as well. Sorry for the noise guys. I went to open door for my son. Okay, yeah guys, so let's see what is inside this our haul. Okay, so I think I got just one thing in this box here. There's just one item there. Okay, so I always like to use wooden spoon a lot when I'm cooking. I tend to use more of wooden spoon. So I came across this wooden spoon in Amazon, and because most of my pots as well require non-metal spoons, okay, so I decided to get this one. It's not that, I don't know, I'm not going to say it's expensive, but the review is what actually made me buy it. So the review, and because I use wooden spoons a lot, so I think it's 7 or something like that. Yeah, it's 7 pieces, and that is the name. So it has quite a very good review. So yeah, the name is over here as well. It got quite a very good review, so that's why I bought it. So it comes with this one. I'm going to open it out so you guys can see properly. They look pretty very good. Looks very good, well finished. So it's like I'm reviewing the product as well, even though I haven't used it, but it looks good. So I just thought I would share with you guys. I think this would be nice for rice. And then we have this other one here, which I don't know. I suppose it can still be used for rice as well. I don't know. Or maybe for something that you just required. I don't know. These are my favorite. These are the ones that even really motivate me to buy it. But as I said, the review, because I saw different ones. Let me quickly just open everything before I show you guys everything. I saw different ones, but this one It's really different. I like this. It's like for soup. It's like soup. For soup. See? And then of course I suppose one can also use this for soup as well, maybe for spices or something. But I think maybe soup. I'm not sure. You know, we African, we call everything soup. Stew, soup, anyone. so yeah. So guys, this is it. There's 7 of them. I really like this. Let's bring the camera a bit down just to show you guys proper, then I will leave the camera up later. So I really like them. So you can see, this one is the smallest among them. I like this too, which I know I'm going to be using quite a lot. This is like when you are frying egg or something, you can use it, you know. But me, I think I'll use it for anything. And this one as well, it's very strong and very good, guys. I mean, yeah, I'm sure it's good because it looks really solid and very firm to hook as well. I'm just giving it a test. It's about to crash. Okay, and this is the one for the soup, which I think is quite okay. And this one as well. Okay, this one I think it will be good for like when you are frying something or pasta, something like that. And these two, I don't know what one can do with them, but I think this look very sturdy, like the rice spoon, the one that comes with the rice cooker. This one especially. Okay guys, so that is the spoon. I'll be showing you guys a bit more later. Let's see if we can unbox this one quickly before the video becomes too long. Okay guys, so I have, that's my receipt I suppose. I've always used this pot, this particular brand, I meant to say, this SQ Professional. So I wanted to get this square pot for a very long time, but I needed to make sure that my other pots, I give them to someone that can use them before I get a new one. So I'm sure you guys can already see what is in here. I'm trying to just get the box out of this box. Okay guys, let me get the box out of this other box and then I'll come back. Okay guys, so this is the pot. Okay, so as I was saying, the pot I'm using right now is from this brand, SQ Professional, and they are very good. Okay, I'm sure if you watch my cooking videos, I'm sure you would have probably seen my pot that I use to cook. It's the same brand, SQ Professional. Okay, I'm not promoting them, they didn't pay me to promote them guys. I'm just telling you because it's good. Okay, and just in case you're looking for a pot to buy, the brand is very good. So this is my first time of buying these square ones. I hope you guys can actually see it properly. So I'm going to open this so that we can see the pot from the box, I mean properly. Okay, so I don't think I need a scissors, no. Okay, so there's 4. This particular set has 4. It has 4 inside. Okay guys, so these are the covers. These are the covers, which I'll show you guys properly. So these are the top. Okay guys, so these are the top, the cover and knob. I don't know how you call them, knob I think. Let me just show you guys quickly. So So that's the top. So I'm going to screw them in the cover later. Okay, so let me bring them out. Okay, so this one is a smaller one. This is a smaller one. So I think you can use it for, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. You can use it for 4 cooker top. I'm not sure about ceramic. If you can use it for ceramic, I don't know. But it has 1, 2, 3, 4 cooker top that you can use it for. Mine is there. Mine is not ceramic, so I can use it. Before I bought it, I make sure that I can use it for my pot. But I think you can use it for most cooker top anyway. So this is the smallest one. And then we have this other size as well. So yeah, so we have this other size. So I still have my other pots, but they are not the same design. They are different. So this is my first time of buying the square one. Okay. So that is the one that follows this one. So this is a medium one. Yeah, which I think is big enough actually. So that's the same, the bottom is the same. So if you guys want the link, to this pot, I can leave it in the description section. Just leave a comment saying that you want the link. And I bought it from Amazon. Okay guys, it cost me, oh, how much was it again now? I forgot to, either 74 pounds, I think. No, is it? I think it's either 70 something or 60 something. I've forgotten now. Yeah guys, I've forgotten. So I've forgotten the price, but I think it's in the region of 60 something, 70 something, one of those. Yeah, the 4 sets. I have to check my Amazon to share the correct price. So this is the biggest one, and I mean it's big. I don't know if the camera is doing it justice, but it's quite big guys, it's big. Okay, so that's it. They are all the same design at the bottom. Okay guys, so this is the 4 of them. This is the 4 of them together. So let me quickly fix the covers, and then also I'll check the price. I'll fix the cover, I'll check the price, and I'll show you guys how it looks like once I finish fixing the cover, and I'll be able to tell you guys the exact price. I'll check my Amazon and to you guys. Okay guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy watching it. Comment, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell please when you do subscribe. Okay, so let me fix the cover. I want to do it off camera so it's quicker. Okay guys, and the video is not too overlong. Okay guys. Okay guys, so I have fixed them as you guys can see. Okay, so my other pot, I used to have purple pots which I love, but I didn't really used to use them a lot, so I decided to give it to someone. It's a set as well, so I gave them away before I bought this one. So the pots I have right now, they are also SQ Professional, and funny enough, I bought them from the same seller in Amazon, and I've been using those pots like 2 years now. Okay, or more than 2 years. Yeah guys, so I bought them from the same seller, and I think it's probably just that the same person. I don't know if it's the only one selling these SQ Professional pots in Amazon. Okay, but it's the same seller I bought these ones from as well. So I fixed the covers as you guys can see. Okay, so you can see that in case you want to get new pot, let me tell you the sizes. So the big one, which is this one here, this one is 32 centimeters. Let me bring the camera down a bit. Yeah, so this is 32 centimeters. I'm not sure you can see it. And this one here is 28. This following one, this one here is 24. And the smaller one here, this smaller one here is 20 centimeters. Okay, so I also got my spoons here. Just thought I will show you guys everything. So it cost me, the receipt is here. The price is actually on the receipt. It's £74.99, not 40. £74.99. Okay, guys. So that's what the 4 sets cost. Okay, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this my Amazon haul. So these are the pots. Please, if you enjoy watching it, leave me a comment, give the video a thumbs up, share it. Okay, guys, share it. And yeah, in case someone else is looking for pots to buy, the sizes are really good. And as I say, because I've used this brand before, I believe this will also last long. And also I've gotten proper wooden spoons so that they can really last long, and my other ones as well, because I've been using all sorts of spoons. I mainly use wooden spoons anyway, but sometimes, you know, it's not only me one using the pot. I mean, I'm not the only person dishing from the pot, so my children they do as well. So sometimes they use metal spoon, so that's why I decided to buy some wooden spoons so I can get rid of the metal ones. Okay, so but I'm the one mainly cooking the food anyway. It's just that when they want to serve it, they use the metal spoons. So yeah, so guys, this is all the pots here. I hope you guys like them. As I say, if you want to buy it or you just want me to leave the link, just leave it in the comments. I'll leave a link. Okay, yeah guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate you all being here. Okay guys, thanks so much. So that's everything. They are really steady and nice, and they are big as well. Very good for large family. Okay guys, thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.